In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Skype ID in Skype in just about 5 minutes. Starting off, Skype has been a vital communication tool for both personal and professional use, enabling us to connect with people across the globe. Finding your Skype ID might seem a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the interface, but worry not because I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First off, head to the Skype website. You're going to see an option that says Open Skype in Browser. Click on that. If you're not already signed into your account, you'll be prompted to do so. Make sure you enter your credentials to access your account. This is your gateway to all things Skype, a space where messages, video calls, and contacts come together. Once you're in, navigate to the Chats section. This is usually found on the left-hand side of your screen and is your central hub for all your conversations. It's where all your interactions live, so clicking here is your first step to finding what you're after. Next, you're going to select a profile you wish to view. It can be any contact you've had a conversation with, so go ahead and click on one. This step is essential because it takes you closer to finding that elusive Skype ID. After clicking on the contact, their profile information will pop up. To delve deeper, click on their profile photo once more. This action is like peeling an onion. We're getting closer to the core, revealing more information about the contact with each click. Now, this is where the magic happens. Once you've clicked on their profile photo, you'll see a variety of information related to the profile. But you're here for one thing, the Skype ID. You'll need to scroll down a bit to find it, but once you do, that's it. Simply copy the Skype name and you've successfully located the Skype ID you were looking for. And there you have it, folks. With these simple steps, you can easily find anyone's Skype ID within minutes. Remember to navigate through the website with care, and don't hesitate to explore other options and features Skype has to offer. Each step here is designed to be user-friendly, but knowing your way around can make your Skype experience even smoother. Whether you're reconnecting with old friends, setting up professional meetings, or just exploring the platform, knowing how to find a Skype ID is invaluable. And now you're equipped with the knowledge to do just that. So go ahead, why not give it a try right after this video. Happy Skyping.